Hello children, how are you? Hope you are safe at home. Let me introduce myself. I am Mrs. Shobin Sam. You can call me Shobin Miss. I am the class teacher of LKG B. I know that you are eagerly waiting to start school, isn't it? But you will have to wait some more days to meet your friends and teachers. I hope you might have come across few activities related to fine motor skills. Today, I am also showing an exacting classic fine motor activity by children. This activity is called lacing activity. For this activity, we need cardboard sheet or foam sheet or any sturdy material which holes can be punched and shoelace. First you have to punch the foam sheet or cardboard sheet like this. Punch and make holes like this. Make a holes like this. Here I have taken a punched foam sheet, the shape of a car. Dear parents, help your child to insert the tip of the string into the holes like this. Then tie at the end of the lace. This will keep the string pulling through. Then again push down like this. Again pull up. Down. Parents, you can also help your child to do this activity. Like this. Again pull up. Slowly you can do. Turn. Push down. Again up until the lace is tight and it goes like this. This activity is very good for eye-hand coordination and fine motor skills. Try to do it repeatedly for the improvement of fine motor skills. Dear parents and children, here we have another activity for fine motor skills. This activity should do in your presence. For this activity, we need white paper with zigzag drawn on it and chickpea. See children, we have a pattern here. How does the pattern goes? Up, down, up, down, up, down. This pattern is called zigzag line. What we call zigzag line. So what you have to do is, over this pattern, we have to place the chickpea till the end. See, this is the starting point. So what we are going to do is, over this pattern, we have to place chickpea till the end. ഓരോ chickpea വീതമേ നിങ്ങൾ എടുക്കാവൂ. എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ രണ്ടെണ്ണം എടുക്കരുത്. Take only one chickpea. Okay? See, this is the starting point. Now we are going to place one chickpea on the starting point. See, like this. Slowly. See, this line is going up. So we are keeping one by one chickpea over the line. one by one. See, we reached this top of this line. See, now this line is going down. So, we are keeping the chickpea down. One by one. Slowly. Don't do it fast. Don't leave a gap. ഇടയ്ക്കൊന്നും സ്പേസ് വിടാൻ പാടില്ല. Slowly you have to do it. One by one. See that? How Miss has placed? They are touching each other, right? Without gap. Okay? We finish this pattern. Dear parents, help your child to do it repeatedly for the improvement of fine motor skills. That's it for today's class. Stay safe. See you next class. Bye.